Hello friends, today we will tell you about the 8 most dangerous animals in the world that have caused the death of many human beings. So let's move on to our videos. Mosquito. Because of the mosquito humans killed per year, different sources report anywhere from 725,000 to 1 million where they can be found. Any environment, except for extremely cold weather. Notable features: small insects with long bodies, legs and antennae. You may want to douse yourself in bug repellent after reading this. Mosquitoes are responsible for more than 830,000 deaths per year, and, unfortunately, that makes sense. Mosquitoes not only leave an itchy bite, but they are also carriers of illnesses and diseases, including Zika, malaria, dengue fever, Japanese encephalitis, West Nile and yellow fever, all of which are fatal. But let's lighten this up a little bit. The best thing you can do to avoid a mosquito bite? Wear the smelly mosquito repellent. DEET is the strongest, and decorate your home with citronella candles for a romantic, protective touch. Snake. Because of the snake humans killed per year, different sources report anywhere from 25,000 to 100,000 where they can be found. Every continent except Antarctica. Notable features. Each species has different features that mark them as poisonous, such as color patterns, head shape, rattle and pupil shape. People either love snakes or hate them. There's no in between. Snakes kill about 100,000 humans every year, and they attack in a variety of ways. According to the World Health Organization (WHO), 600 of the 3,000 species of snakes are venomous. Some of the most dangerous snakes live alongside people in areas where access to anti-venom and medical care is limited, such as India. Other snakes, such as pythons or anacondas, will simply squeeze and crush you to death. Oh, and all the cobra has to do is spit venom on your face to kill you. Dog. Because of the dog humans killed per year, about 25,000 to 30,000 where they can be found. Worldwide. Notable features. Dogs with rabies are usually foaming at the mouth. Think twice about cuddling with Spike, as he's the third deadliest animal in the world. Dogs infected with rabies are the ones who generally kill humans. The World Health Organization reports that dogs contribute to 99% of all rabies transmissions to humans. A vaccine prevents rabies. Yet most of the deaths happen in rural areas of Asia, Africa or South America, where the vaccine is not always accessible. Freshwater snail. Because of the freshwater snail humans killed per year, between 10,000 and 20,000 where they can be found. Africa, Asia and South America. Notable features. While you might not see the little snail, it's the size of a quarter with a pinkish brown shell. Death by snail is no way to die. No, they won't catch you or touch you, but they are responsible for transmitting schistosomiasis, a disease that infects the urinary tract and intestines. The disease spreads by contact with fresh water that's been contaminated with parasites released by the freshwater snails. The condition is most common in developing countries where people use unclean water for daily living. Assassin bug. Because of the assassin bug humans killed per year, about 10,000 to 12,000 where they can be found. North America, South America, Europe, Asia and Africa. Notable features. A flat body with red and orange markings. As the name implies, an assassin bug kills. It bites your skin, sucks your blood and transmits a disease called Chagas disease, which causes infection and inflammation of human tissues. The assassin bug is ruthless to other insects as well. After it sucks its prey dry, the bug attaches the entire corpse to its back and walks around with it as a protective shield. That's some sinister stuff. Tsetse fly. Because of the tsetse fly humans killed per year, 10,000 where they can be found. Rural parts of Africa. Notable features. Typical fly features with a yellowish-brown coloring. A bite from a tsetse fly, pronounced tsetse fly, is, to put it simply, unpleasant. The fly saws into your skin, transmits a disease called African trypanosomiasis, or sleeping sickness, and continues on its way. Symptoms begin with a fever and headache and continue until the infected person becomes increasingly tired and eventually dies. Ascaris roundworm. Because of the Ascaris roundworm humans killed per year, 2,500 where they can be found. Worldwide, particularly in warm, humid climates. Notable features. Looks like a noodle and is about 12 inches in length. Ascaris roundworms are parasitic worms that cause an infection of the small intestine. Humans can get infected with roundworms by ingesting infective eggs. Infection happens when contaminated hands are put in the mouth or by consuming raw produce that has not been washed, cooked or peeled. Deaths from Ascaris roundworm are more common in areas that have ineffective sewage disposal systems. Moray eel. Where they can be found. Warm waters of the Atlantic. Pacific and Indian Oceans. Notable features: long bodies without scales. The moray eel tends to hang out in tropical seas. They have thick, scaleless skin and sharp teeth that enable them to inflict serious wounds on their prey, including humans, when disturbed. People eat moray eels in some areas of the world, but their flesh can be toxic and cause illness or death if not prepared properly. Its cousin, the electric eel, discharges 300 to 650 volts when it feels threatened. Human deaths by both eels are extremely rare but can happen. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe.